Good evening, everyone. Today we will be starting with the 59th scenario of Apex Trigger. This trigger will be on three objects: account, contact, and opportunity. So now the thing will come in your mind why we are taking three objects. So let's first understand the scenario. The scenario is as such: whenever our contact is created and if it is associated with the account, then we need to check the opportunities that are available on the same account. So we for example, if we have three opportunities, o1, o2, o3, so we need to sum the amount. We need to do the sum of amount that is available in the threes opportunity and update that sum in the description field. And if the opportunity is not available, let's take an example: you are creating a contact on account and it doesn't have any opportunity, then you need to create an opportunity for that. So the sideline here is, as soon as a contact is created, then only we need to do this operation, that is sum of opportunity or creation of opportunity. So let's start with this scenario that come in mind of every developer is, do we need to consider after insert operation or a before insert operation? And the second question come here is, because I have written the trigger in a simplified manner, if I haven't written the trigger in the simplified manner, do we need to create a trigger on account? Do we need to create a trigger on contact? Or do we need to create a trigger on opportunity? So here you need to check when our trigger is getting fired. So we have one line written in the requirement: as soon as the contact is inserted for the account, then only we need to perform. So the trigger will be only on the account. And since we are doing the operation after the record has been saved, so that's why we will be taking after insert operation. So here what we will be doing, we will be writing if trigger dot is insert double and trigger dot is after, then only you need to proceed with this. So we have one class that is contact handler dot handle opportunity, handle OPP, and here I will be passing trigger dot new. Okay, so I think we have missed the e keyword. So now once we are done with this, we will be directly going on to this class, and after going here in the class, what I will be writing, public static void handle OPP, and here what I will be doing, here I will be passing my list of contact, and what I will be passing new records. So let's delete the, I think I have done one mistake, we have added. So now let's save this out and let's try to save the framework as well, so that our framework don't create issue further. So after doing this, after saving this, we are good to start with the trigger. So first thing is, when our trigger should get fired. Trigger should fire only when it is associated with the account, because if it is not associated with the account, then there is no need to link it with the opportunity as well. So first of all, I will be iterating my loop. What I will be doing, for account A colon, not account A, since we are on contact C colon new records, and further what I will be doing, if C dot account ID, if this is not equal to null, then only you need to proceed with the scenario. So what further how we will be processing, we will be storing the account ID in the set. So what I will be doing, I will be storing account ID set, and here I will be creating new set of ID, and after storing the IDs, the next thing what I will be doing, I will be doing account ID set dot add. Here what I will be adding, C dot account ID. I hope everyone is clear till this point. So once we are done with this, next thing is, we need to get all the opportunities that are associated with this account. Which account? The account which we have got the account ID here. So let's write a query here after writing this code. So after writing this code, what I will be taking, I will be taking list of opportunity, OPR, OPP list is equal to what I will be writing, select ID comma name comma amount. I think we added multiple here, comma account ID from opportunity, where account ID in which set, the accounts ID set that we have created, account ID set. So once we are done with this, next thing is we need to iterate this for loop. Why we need to iterate this for loop? If the opportunity exists, then we need to perform some operation. If it doesn't exist, then we need to create a new opportunity. So what I will be doing, if we will be writing a code, if OPP list dot size, or I will be adding is empty. If it is not empty, then we need to do something else. What we need to do, we need to create an opportunity here. We will be writing the else part, and else part what we will be writing, opportunity, OPR is called new opportunity. So what I will be doing, OPR dot close date is equal to date dot today. So we will be first completing the else part, then only we will move on the main part, that is we need to do the sum of opportunities. So this is the else part that we are considering now. Third is, what is the field name, OPR dot stage name is equal to closed one. Let's do prospecting for now, or yes, prospecting is good. I think we have written some triggers where we have considered that if the opportunity is closed one. Okay, next is we will be adding OPR dot amount is equal to 1 or 11. Since today is a Ganesh Chaturthi, we will add numbers that are in the format of this. So amount is added, and other thing is OPR dot account ID. We need to link it with account. So what I will be doing, pick the account ID. So what we will be doing, we will be doing the query on account ID set as well, on accounts as well, so that we can get the detail for accounts. So what I will be doing, if list, I will not create a list, I will be creating a map. So map of ID versus account, that is ACC map is equal to, what I will be doing, I will be creating new map here, new map of ID comma account. And further, after doing this, the third step what I will be doing, I will be adding round braces here, and here I will be doing select ID comma name from account, where I will do one more thing, I will be also querying the description, because further we need to update the description as well, from account, where account ID in account ID set. So it will not be a account ID, it will be ID, because we are doing the query on account, so it has its own ID. So let's save this out, and further what I will be doing here, let's try to save this out. I think we got an error somewhere. Yes, we got an error here. And what I will be doing, we will be getting, I will be doing the query here, I will be doing the iteration here for account A column ACC map. Not, we will be doing the ID only, we will be only iterating the ID A is equal to ACC map dot key set. So further what I will be doing, after doing this, I will be adding my closing braces here after this, and after adding a closing braces here, further I will be adding ACC map or we can do one thing, we can directly add a, because we don't need anything further. What I need to do further, I need to update this opportunity. So create this opportunity. So what I will be doing, I will be creating list of opportunity, OPP creation list is equal to new list of opportunity, and here what I will be doing, OPP creation list dot add. So let's copy this out and let's go down, and if I go here, dot add a, not a, I will be adding OPR here in this line. So once we are done with this, after else part, what we will be doing, if this is not empty, then what you need to do, you need to insert this list. So I think everyone is clear till this point. If the opportunity is if this list size is not empty, if this is empty, then we need to proceed with the else part. Okay, so once we are done with this, we also need to update one more thing, that is we are querying the account. So what I will be doing, we will be updating the description. So let's do one thing, we will be doing account A is equal to new account here, and further a dot, not a, let's make at, because we have already created the art, let's make it art dot id is equal to a, and art dot description is equal to the amount available in description as in opportunities are what I will be doing plus OPR dot amount. Okay, so let's save this out, and once we are done with this, we will be creating a list of further here also we will be creating a list of account as well, that is updated ACC list is equal to new list of account, and here what I will be doing, so updated account list. So let's, I think my mouse is not working today as so I'm using the laptop mouse as well. So what I will be doing, I will be pasting it here, dot add art. Okay, so these two steps is done. So what I will be doing, I will be copying this list, and that is this list, and let's copy this out and let's paste it after here. So what I will be doing, I will be adding enter if is not empty. If it is not empty, then what we need to do, we need to updated ACC list. Okay, so what I will be proceeding further, so I will be adding not equal to sign, and I will be saving this out. Okay, so we are doing these two operations, but we have only written the code for else part. We haven't written the code for main part, that is if part. So our main else part is done. So now let's proceed with the code. So let's take an instance if there are multiple opportunities in the amount. So what we need to do, we need to sum to the total of all opportunity amount. So what I will be doing, I will be creating a map here, map of ID will store my account ID versus decimal will say store me the sum of all opportunity amounts. So OPP amount map is equal to new map of ID comma decimal. Further, after doing this, what I will be doing, so let's copy this out, that is opportunity amount map, So what I will be doing as soon as I try to iterate this, so let's do one thing. Let's add for opportunity opx column. What is the list name? It is opp list. And further what I will be doing, f op, I will be copying the map name dot contains key. Which key is required here? That is opx dot account id. If it is available, then you need to proceed with something else. What you need to do, else you will be pasting opp amount map dot put. What I will be putting, opx dot account id comma opx dot amount. So if it doesn't contain key, then you need to put this. Else what you will be copying this line, this complete line. So let's copy this line and let's paste it here. So what you will be doing, you will be copying the map name, that is opp amount x. Oh, we can do one thing. So just we need to add the sum. How we will be getting the sum, that is opp amount map dot get, that is opx dot account id plus this field. So in this step, if you see here, if the map contains key, let's take an example. If it has already has one opportunity, that is sum equal to 100, so the 100 will come here. This line will give me 100. And if let's take an example, another opportunity that you are trying to insert has the sum of 100, so 100 plus latest amount, that is 100. By this way we are getting the all opportunities at that. So now we after doing this step, what we need to do, we need to proceed with updating the description field as well. Okay, so what I will be doing, for account or for id, so let's take id ax colon account acc map dot key set. So once we are done with the key set, the second thing what we need to proceed further, we need to proceed here with one thing, that is f do we need to proceed with f? Yes, we need to proceed with so else part is already covered here. Yes, else part is already covered in the downward. So what I will be doing, I will be making account a equal to new account a dot id is equal to ax. Third thing, a dot description is equal to the total amount available in the for the account is I will be adding plus. And after adding plus, what I will be doing, I will be adding here, that is opp amount x, opp amount map dot get ax. So this will give me the total amount that the opportunity has. And further what we have done, we have already created the updated acc list. We will be adding this account, that is a, in the same. So after doing this, what I will be doing, updated acc dot add further a. So let's save this trigger. And I hope everyone is clear with this point. We have, if the opportunity map is not empty, then we need to first concat the sum of all the opportunities that are available, and further we are updating the value. And else if it is not available, we are creating an opportunity and we are further updating the opportunity with the amount, that is standard amount we have kept as. Okay, and we are performing the same operation. So it's the time to test the code. So let's go on to account. My mouse is not working as fruitful. So let's click on this opportunity, that is test on opportunity, test on for updation. So as soon as we go here, we have 4 contacts here and we don't have any opportunity. As soon as we create a opportunity contact, so let's make it HSSS. So let's save this out. So we are getting the required field facing name. So I think while creating an opportunity, we haven't saved the name field. So let's go on to developer console. Yes, we haven't saved the name. So opr.name. So let's add here opr.name is equal to a acc map dot get. What I will be doing, I will be getting a dot name. So I am saving the name of plus opportunity 1, opportunity 1. So let's store the name like this. So let's see if we have queried the name. Yes, we have queried the name. So now what you will be able to see that your opportunity name will come as the account name plus opportunity 1. So let's add a space here as well, and let's try to save it again. And let's see if we are facing any issue here. No, we are not facing any issue. So let's try to create it again and see if our record is getting created. So it has given me rectifying the issue. So I got a issue due to another trigger that we have written on a scene. So later I will be checking that. So currently I have deleted that trigger, that is the opportunity trigger on opportunity. Now let's test the trigger again. So as soon as I create a new opportunity here, so new contact here, so what I will be doing, I will be adding the name here, that is stress, and let's try to save this. So as soon as we save this, we get a new opportunity created here, that is test for updating opportunity, and we got the amount as 11. And if we check the description as well, the amount is coming as 11. So now we will be creating another account, let's create new opportunity here where amount equal to 100. So let's add 100 or 1000. Let's save this out and let's name as abcaz, and let's name this qualification, and further let's add the close date as 28. So as soon as we save this record, so our now you will be saying your the amount should be equal to 10 lakh 11 rupees in the description, but that has not been updated till now. So what I will be doing, I will be creating another record on the contact. So let's create a record on contact, that is let's try STRA. As soon as we save it, so now the total amount, the description that is coming equal to 10 lakh 11 rupees. So this complete our tracker number 59. If you like my content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button in order to get more scenarios and more for videos further. We will be starting the flow series shortly. So I hope you like my content. If you like my content, so hit the like button. Thank you. Thanks everyone.